What's the meaning of acquiescence? Acquiescence. 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 Acquiescence refers to a passive acceptance or agreement to something, usually without objection or resistance. It involves giving up one's own opinion or desires in favor of the wishes or demands of someone else. The result of acquiescence may vary depending on the situation. In some cases, it can lead to a peaceful resolution of conflicts and promote harmony in relationships. However, in other cases, it may not be beneficial as it can lead to suppression of one's own needs and desires, leading to resentment and dissatisfaction. It is important to consider the context and consequences before choosing to acquiesce to another person's wishes.